Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I guess you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 8, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. This is our lesson plan and I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. This lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. Today's lecture 6 under the title of Paragraph Writing and Use of Conjunctions in a Paragraph. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about writing a paragraph. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's learning outcomes are: use appropriate conjunctions, e.g. and, but, or, and, because to join sentences within a paragraph. Write a paragraph to describe or show sequence in a picture or series of pictures. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Az-Zalzala and verse 1 to 5, when the earth is shaken with its final earthquake. And when the earth throws out its burdens, and man will say, what is the matter with it? That day it will declare its information about all what happened over it of good or evil, because your Lord has inspired it. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the day of judgment, and when the day of judgment will be happened, and Allah Almighty will shake this earth. Allah Almighty forgive us all sins and protect us from all these disturbing moments. What is our pre-reading question? What is a paragraph? What are conjunctions? Pause the video and respond to your teacher. Excellent. I hope you have recalled all these. Let's see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of meaningful sentences organized together within a single main idea. Always we will find a paragraph. It comprises 4, 5 or more than 4, 5 sentences, and these sentences must be meaningful sentences, and these all sentences related with a single main idea. And topic sentence, there are few parts in a paragraph. The first one is a topic sentence. A topic sentence gives the main idea of your paragraph. Always a topic sentence will give us that for what that paragraph is. Next is sporting sentence. Sporting sentence supports the topic sentence and the main idea. Sporting sentence will support the main idea. And what is the concluding sentence? Concluding sentence sum up the paragraph and tell the reader that you have finished your discussion. There are 3 parts in a paragraph: topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. The first topic sentence comprises 1 or 2 sentences, and supporting detail will give further information about the given paragraph in the shape of facts, arguments, and other examples. And the final and concluding sentence will summarize the whole paragraph, that what we have discussed and that our paragraph is finished now. Example, there is example for topic sentence. Eggs can be cooked in different ways. There we have a topic sentence about eggs that they can be cooked in different ways. That way we like, we can enjoy. And what is the supporting detail about eggs? Supporting sentences are, they can be boiled lightly and eaten with toast. When we boil these eggs lightly and we can enjoy it with toast, and hard-boiled eggs are good for picnics, sandwiches are used in salads. So we can use hard-boiled eggs if we are going for picnic. So we must get hard-boiled eggs that they may not be broken during the way. Next, fried, pounced and scrambled eggs are commonly eaten at breakfast. In breakfast, we eat fried eggs mostly. Eggs are usually added to cakes and pastries too. Eggs are also being used in the preparation of cakes and bakeries. So we enjoy the egg. Concluding sentence. What is concluding sentence? There are few foods that are as nourishing as eggs. There are many ingredients in eggs. These ingredients are so helpful for our health. So that was our topic sentence about egg, and why these all sentences are supporting to the main idea, and this is our concluding sentence. Yes, let's see what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to join words or group of words together. And, but, or, and because are common conjunctions. Yes, my dear students, conjunction always join different ideas, different words together. Conjunction can join words, sentences, or group of words together, and the most common conjunctions are and, but, or, and because. Let's see their use, how we can use these conjunctions. The conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have similar ideas. When we are going to discuss a similar idea, same idea, then we use the conjunction and. It can join words also and sentences also. There is example, you can see brother and sister. This is the single same idea, that similar idea, brother and sister, and it is joining two words together. There is also Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is our national hero and the founder of Pakistan's nuclear program. Yes, you can judge in this sentence also that this is the same idea, that first sentence is telling us that Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is a national hero, and the second sentence we connected with a conjunction and it is giving us additional information about Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. And the conjunction or is used to join words and sentences to show our choice. When we want to choose a thing between two or three things, two things mostly, then we use the conjunction or. You can see in this picture, we will go to the zoo or to the market. It means we have to get choice that where we have to go, in zoo or to the market. This is choice, and that's why this conjunction is being used to join these words. The conjunction but is used for unexpected information. Unexpected information means, my dear students, that when we are expecting to do something but suddenly happened anything and we stopped, we couldn't do that. This is called an unexpected information that we can say. You can see in this example, she rushed for school, but she was too late. So this is, but she was too late. This is an unexpected condition, situation. even though she was trying to get on time. Yes, where we use because. We can use because to give a reason for something. Always because is used to give reasons for anything. Here is an example that I ate a lot because I was hungry. That he is giving reason that I ate a lot. Why I ate a lot? Because I was hungry. This because is giving us reason. This is a sentence and this is the next part is reason that why he ate a lot. In other sentence where we can use because in an answer to our why questions. When a question is being started by why, then we have to respond to it with because. See there, why are you going to bed so early? Look that he is going to bed at 6 o'clock, so early. So why? There is why. Because I am tired. He is giving reason that I am tired. So that we have used because. Why we used? Because there is why. Yes, let's practice an activity to get more information. Get students in pairs for this activity and write at least 4 or 5 sentences on the whiteboard. Related a single main idea, i.e. weekends with family. Yes, my dear teachers, you will write few sentences, 4 or 5 sentences on the board. What will be the main idea? Weekend with family. How we spend our weekend with family. Then next step, what you will do? Then ask this whole class to use conjunction words to link the sentences up to construct a short paragraph and choose a winner who has done appropriate paragraph. So then you will engage the class and give them task that they will write a short paragraph using conjunctions that already we have learned, and that paragraph would be best. Then you will choose a winner. Practice this activity in your class. Excellent. I hope you have enjoyed it. This was so enjoyable activity. Yes, open book, page number 64 and write question number 9 and 10. First, you will do question number 9 in your notebook, that search and get information about a person who did great work for Pakistan and awarded for her achievements. Write your gathered information in paragraph format. Yes, teacher will help you in your class. Prepare a paragraph and write that question in your notebook. Yes, after doing this question, you will do question number 10. You will, on that paragraph that you have written just now, list conjunctions you have used in the paragraph, separate them with comma. In the given space, you will write conjunctions that you have used in your paragraph. Excellent, good job. So what's our homework for today? Write question number 11 given on book, page number 64 in your notebooks. Yes, this is your question. Question number 11 on your notebook given on page number 64. First, you will arrange these pictures and then you will write a paragraph in your notebook. This is worksheet and you may click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. Wrap up what we have learned today. Today we learned about paragraph and its development, how we can write a paragraph. We also learned about conjunctions and their use within a paragraph. And in this way, we have completed our SLO. Use appropriate conjunctions, e.g., and, but, or. and because to join sentences within a paragraph. Write a paragraph to describe, show, sequence in a picture, a series of pictures. Yes, my dear students, we have done it. Thank you so much. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.